Alright, well, as usual, guys, it's another day here at the farm, and it is just me today. Gianna is late as usual. So, today, looks like we're probably going to get this whole trailer done now that Gianna's not here slowing me down. Let's see what she thinks when she gets back. Lots to do. Alright, so today's to-do list. I'd like to sort out all that, figure out what's going on under here, get all that hooked up, move over to the tub. I'd like to get the drain done in there, hook up the toilet. That will basically finish off everything in here aside from putting the hardware on those doors and a little bit of trim along the edge there. That'll basically finish this entire half completely. We can put a door on it. Then install the sink, hook up the drain, hook up the water supply, and potentially turn on the water in here for the first time ever.
Oh my gosh, I hear water.
No.
Drop.
Oh shoot.
Drop it.
Well, look who decided to show up. Late as usual.
Okay, I would just like to say that I'm not always late. Sometimes you just show up and sometimes I'm here all day. Anyways, yeah, so we're on the trailer again today. Plumbing boxes, plumbing boxes.
That's it right there.
Yeah. Yeah, there is a bit of plumbing pictures there.
Oh,
Metal one, perfect.
that's perfect.
Yep. Just gonna need to go.
We'll need to buy it. So we found everything we could from the barn for my dad. Thank you, Dad. And but we still need to get some stuff from Lowe's. So let's go to Lowe's.
Yeah. It'll be nice to see all the faucets working. You'll be able to test the shower. We don't even know if all the... We did so much plumbing for that shower.
Yeah.
We have no idea if any of that leaks.
Oh my god.
Maybe we'll get this trap just in case, because I don't know what's on the other end of our other trap.
Okay.
I think it's another threaded end like this,
Okay.
which won't work. So we'll get this too.
All right.
And that'll be the drain. So now we need packs. Two of these and this. So we've got the bathroom sink sorted out. We've got the bathroom drain sorted out. We've got the kitchen sink fittings. And those are the 90s. We've got everything.
Okay. That's a 1500 towing that massive trailer. So my brother thinks that a Tacoma would pull my fifth wheel.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's a pretty big trailer.
Yeah.
But I'm sure it's fine. So a Tacoma with your truck, with your trailer, no question.
Yeah.
No problem.
That's kind of a nice thought. We
Pretty
gotta get
light.
it weighed after.
Yeah, for sure.
Change the tires, do all that, and get it weighed.
Yeah. We will do that. Good thing we got a different trap, because that wouldn't have worked.
Perfect.
Because the end's different. This end. Yep. I know.
I like that thing.
What thing?
I don't know. I like the whole situation.
One. Okay. That's good. Okay, we're good. So that's that. So you're gonna put that, you're gonna put it like this, a little bit of pressure. Okay, and here I'll go like that and I'll squeeze it.
So this is the old drain. It's kind of plastic and flimsy and has a chip out of it and not very good. But, so we found this in my dad's barn. Luckily, it's metal. It's nice. It fits. We just covered it in butyl tape here, and now we're gonna fit it in. I'm trying.
If you cross at it, you're fired.
No, it's nearly there. It's at the top. It's just how am I gonna get a tight fit? Hold on.
Yeah, that's...
Can you press on that? I can't get enough pressure here.
Yeah. Just gotta make sure it's tight is all. And I can't...
You might be able to fit those.
Channel locks?
Yeah. Do you want me to grab them?
Oh, yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Should
Okay,
be okay.
that's done, that's done. We'll do this quick. And we'll put these in the kitchen right now.
Bathtub complete. Hopefully it doesn't leak.
The hard part is the fact that this
Sits so high
drain
up.
sits so low to the floor now.
Okay.
So we're gonna have to unscrew this and hope that it'll be as simple as just lifting it up, putting this material underneath it, because this has to be sitting on top of this.
Right.
Right. So I should have been here when you did this, or at least mentioned it. We should have unscrewed this, lifted it up, and then had the floor go like butt underneath it. Either way, we'll lift it up, we'll put some wood underneath it, and then hopefully that's it. We're just gonna stick those under there like that. Should hold it up. Hard to get that thing in here.
Thank you though. Hammer. That's lovely. I think this will be enough.
Yeah, that's perfect. Probably better like that because that'll be nice and tall. Yeah. What about it?
I'd use the wax if I were you. It's better than that plastic ring or rubber ring.
Done.
We're gonna test it now.
I'm dried out.
You need water yourself? Okay, go drink water and then let's try this.
There's no water in the tank,
No.
so we're gonna have to put water in it. Don't spray it at me. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, now turn it on. Please don't leak. Fingers crossed. There's no leaks. What?
Look for any leaks coming out of this tank, because this thing starts leaking, this fucking place is ruined. Oh, all that water under the floor? Yeah, you might as well throw the thing out. Shot?
Everything seems okay.
Yeah, looks good. I think this tank's fine. It was empty when we got it, so. You never know, it could be cracked on the bottom.
Okay.
Yeah. Right? It's true. I think we'd see water by now, mate.
Yeah.
That'd suck.
It would suck.
Nothing's gonna happen. It's gonna be perfect.
Let's see. I'm gonna turn it on.
Shut off. Oh my gosh, I hear water.
No.
Stop.
Actually?
Well, it's probably just the hose fell in.
Water pump shut off, which means it's got pressure.
No.
Oh shoot.
Stop it.
Get some of the pressure out.
It's coming out of the. Holy moly.
It's all coolant. Look at this thing. It's good that it's got coolant in it. Okay, but where's the drain? There's a leak. Oh, right there. Both of them.
Really?
Minor issue. Still coolant in the lines. We'll get it out here. Let it run. It's probably in the hot water heater. Wonder if this is leaking. Nope. Bone dry. Not a drop. There, now it's working properly because the pressure is a little better.
Alright.
Check this. Okay, shut everything off for a sec. Just want to build up pressure.
Definitely need a new sink. This one doesn't.
No more leaking here. At all.
No?
No, it's perfect.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, turn the sink on.
Do you think it's something that I need to keep an eye on though?
No. Get all that coolant out. This shoots far. It's perfect. It literally shoots right to the middle of the sink. Worked out really good.
Too bad it's not just a hole. And the toilet?
Oh yeah. Go for it.
Wow. This is crazy.
Keep going. We'll just make sure there's no leaks. It's a nice toilet. I'm glad you updated it from what was here.
Yeah.
There's no leak to the back. X is good.
No leaks back there.
It's probably better without the flashlight.
Should I flush?
Yeah, that's it.
Everything seems okay back there?
Mm-hmm. There's no water under there. It's all good. Alright.
So,
Sure.
why don't we just measure where this lands and put it right there? Because I want it as close to the edge as possible.
Yeah.
So,
So that's basically where it is.
yeah.
Put your hand where it was again. Yeah, agreed.
So that'll be it.
Yeah. It's a really nice sink.
Yeah.
Where'd you get this?
Amazon.
Yeah.
$250.
I like the look.
It's really nice.
Not too big, not too small.
No, it's perfect.
Yeah.
It's nice that it's over mounted as well and everything is sort of
Don't
covered.
have to worry about water getting in.
Yeah.
The cabinet or the counter. 908. That's 18 1/4. It's that line. If we go too much this way. Okay, that's the front. Go like that. Go like that. Looks good to me.
Yeah.
Stand back. That's your thing. Okay.
It's somewhere there. Wow, that's... Wow. It's perfect size for you, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. Actually, it's a bit small for you.
Yeah. That bit works pretty good. All right, mate.
That'll be able to do one thing. Butterfingers.
Yeah. And then we have to silicone this sink down, but very nice.
Okay, so the kitchen sink is in. Everything's ready to go, but we still have lots of stuff to kind of finish up here before.
I'm not ready to move back onto the kitchen yet.
Okay.
I still have some trim work to do in the bathroom.
Okay. So everything needs to be done on that end of the trailer in order for him to want to do anything else in the other parts of the trailer. We did all the things on the list though.
Yep.
We got all these things done.
We got all the water.
So I think we should be just making lists from now on. I think that's probably the best way to do it. A lot of people have said to do that, but I I don't know. We always just come in and are like, let's just get whatever we can get done and whatever we can think of. And it's always sporadic, chaotic. This is my life. All right, so it's been a few days. I left the water on and we don't have any leaks now. Everything seems to be pretty good. He tightened up the ones in behind the shower, and then after that they stopped leaking. So everything looks really good. Hot water works. He turned it on today.
Stop.
And so yeah, the plumbing so far is we're on the right track there. I ordered the other day some really cute lights off Amazon. This is just a piece of it. And I also painted the back wall in the bedroom. I wasn't sure about this, but after some time of looking at the bedroom, it's just so white. I was like, okay, something has to change in there, but I don't want it to be too dark. I don't want it to be too light. And so I had Lowe's mix up a color for me, and it just looks so cute. And so I think we're gonna try and set up my little sconces right now. And yeah, so that's what we're doing. They're not 12 volt, but I got 12 volt lights. Little Edison bulb type things. They're 12 volts. Hi, Dad.
Hey,
It's been a while.
They're nice.
how's it going, everybody?
They're nice.
So
is there
cute.
a cover for it, or is it just that?
No, it's just the bulb.
just the one.
It's the vintage look. Oh, that's so cute and such a perfect light.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. Adorable.
Looks nice. Yeah.
Should it go like this or down?
Down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cute.
Easy.
Oh, I also got this RV mattress from an an online auction. It was $90 online off Amazon. It's like a $500 mattress. So this was the score. I haven't opened it yet, so I don't know if it actually fits. I might have to cut it up, but we'll see eventually. You don't want to be hitting your head, right? Or like worrying about the light, right?
No, you won't be.
I think you're gonna be a couple inches higher.
Yeah, but you'll be sitting right here.
No.
Yeah, you want it up
As high as possible.
Just put it right there, and that's it.
Yeah. What do you think?
I don't know.
You don't like it?
No, I like the light, but I'm just thinking, is it too high?
Let me see from over there.
Yeah, check from here because. Yeah, you put a little higher. And that's too high. Yeah, about there.
Yeah, that
Right
looks
there.
nice.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, that'll work. Because the light's the
Yeah, you
ground.
don't need the ground.
What were these two screws for?
You didn't tighten it inside. You didn't tighten the post. That little post, I think, has to be
I
tightened.
didn't.
Oh.
Yeah. I'll have to take it off again. I forgot to do that. So, hook that through. There you go.
That's freaking cute as heck.
Yeah.
So, just gotta tighten this one up.
Yeah.
I love them. Should I open up the mattress today?
Sure. Down in there completely.
Yeah. Freaking adorable. Oh. It's absurd.
Yeah, that looks sweet.
It's absurd.
I like that.
Yeah.
Looks very good.
Oh my god.
Be good when all the lighting's done in the cabinets too.
Yeah.
So you have like that indirect
Yeah.
lighting. You just look really cool, nice and moody at night.
Yeah.
It'll look awesome.
Yep.
This is my water, right?
Yeah.
Here.
It's an X-Acto knife.
Nice.
I guess it's closed though.
Good catch. Oh man, that's gonna be nice.
Let's see.
Normally you put the mattress in when you're like moving in.
Should I not do this?
No, because you can cover it with that plastic again. In
case the dog feels ambitious, like going for a nap.
So it's off. Interesting.
Oh, that fits perfect.
So I don't need to cut
It's
it.
a little short.
Is it?
That's okay. Maybe you can cut that,
That's weird.
cut the bed a little short.
Cut
So you
this?
don't, so that's not sticking out so much.
Or maybe it's.
Or just pull the mattress back. There you go. Problem solved. Looks super comfy.
It is. Feel it. It's like a cloud.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh. Where'd you get that?
It was off an auction for $90. It's a $500 mattress.
Hey, this is so comfortable.
Yeah.
Holy.
Yeah. How's it look?
This is such a comfortable mattress.
Yeah. Great. Wonderful.
That was a lot of work.
Yeah, I'm out of breath. Cool. So, are we done here? I am just absolutely obsessed with everything that's happening. The bedroom turned out just so, it just tickles me inside. It's like perfect. I love everything about it, and I love everything about this trailer. It's going to be so mwah when it's finished. It's just taking a bit longer than I had hoped, but you know, there's just so many details, and life gets busy and blah, 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 and that's, everything's fine. So if you like this video, I hope that you click the like button and comment if you feel like it, and subscribe if you haven't. And I'm just so thankful that you're here watching, and I will see you next time. Whatever we get up to, I'm not really sure, because life is full of surprises these days. The van has just been, well, it's been okay. It's just full of surprises. So yeah, I hope you stick around, and I will see you next time. Mwah. What in the actual heckin' frick? No! This is not good. I don't know what to do.